Welcome back, dolls and sugars. Today I'll be showing you guys how to get 100% off to 10% off free Shein discount codes. Alright, so you're going to start off by going to settings in general. You're going to scroll down to background app refresh, and you're going to make sure that you have it on. It can be Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. It doesn't really matter as long as you have it on. Next, you're going to go down to Safari, and you're going to type in installer. Right here, you're going to type in installer.vip, and then you're just going to hit go. This is going to go up, and you're going to go scroll down to where it says Shein++, and you're going to hit unlock now. Alright, now this will only take like a couple of seconds. It's just going through all this to verify that you're a real person, that you're not a robot, that you're not like any bots, any scams or anything. So it just takes like a couple of seconds to load up. I'll say maybe like 30 seconds at most. Right, it's finishing up now. Alright, now that it's up, you have to complete 2 of these tasks. I chose the IRL social calendar and the iHeartRadio. And then once it's downloaded, you just click it and it'll take you to the App Store to download the apps. Okay, the first one I did was iHeartRadio. I just had to run the 80s radio, so that's what I did. I created an account really quick, and then I just ran the 80s radio station on it. Then after that, I went to the IRL, and all I had to do was create an account for that one, and I just quickly created an account. That's it, and you should receive a notification saying that the Shein codes are up.